Say it again.
I got you.
Twirl.
Do it again. I wasn't watching. Do it again. My name's Jordan, and this is Superman Jordan, and he can run fast. See?
Run fast back, buddy.
Run back. Come on.
Come on, buddy, run.
And also, he's my brother, and I can run fast too.
Show us.
Okay. And also, whatever bad guy that I see, I have a super kick and a super punch.
Show us.
Ear thing. So Jody, where's the one glove then on it?
Here we are at the Hayden Lake Library on Halloween, having a superhero party. Woohoo! What you doing, Jordy? What are you making? A superpower bracelet. Linny, what are you making? Buddy, turn around. Oh, you're scaring me.
Back up a little, Lynn. On the other. Here, sit right here. Jody's on the other side.
There's Linny. She's going to put Spidey on the web.
Close your eyes.
There she goes.
Close your eyes. Hey, can I do it?
Nice.
Stick that red one right there.
I can do it.
Here, we need a feather right here.
Hey, Lynn. Can you make a spooky sound? Nice.